Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Daniel. First time we met was in 2019. I'll show you your before pictures. You look absolutely incredible, but you called me up about a few months back and said you want a second coat of paint. And this is a perfect video to explain to somebody when you're a Norwood 5 going on a Norwood 6 and you start with zero hair. This is exactly what to expect after potentially one procedure. You're not going to go from zero hair to 100% density. You're going to add a good 35 to 50% fullness in that area. We covered the entire area in the first procedure. And now I'm going to let Daniel take over your experience and everything from 2019.
No, it was a great experience. Again, one of the reasons that I chose you guys was I found your guys' thing on YouTube, and it was very, very transparent. You guys got to see the before when they had the surgery and then the follow-up. And so I flew all the way from Nashville, Tennessee to come down here. And now I'm doing my second one. I love the one that I have right now. I'm just trying to add a little bit more density to it. So I really appreciate it. So, yeah.
And everybody you work with, you say that when you first, I remember talking to you in 2020, a year after the procedure, you said everybody was shocked at how much hair growth you had.
Yeah, it's funny because I even had some people on the team that talked about doing it. And then I think we were just talking earlier, one of the guys that is on my team, I won't throw his name out there, but he actually had his hair transplant here as well. And so we were all kind of laughing about that because we went to the same place. So, yeah.
And no problem styling your hair since 2020 actually, and so we're gonna go ahead and pick up where we left off. We're gonna do a second coat of paint and just reinforce the entire top of the head. I thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and your experience.
No, I appreciate you guys. Like I said, if I can do something to give back, the videos really helped me in making my decision, so thanks.
Thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.